Hey, yes, we're live. So, as many of you know, Fortnite Editor just launched, and let's have a look at it. I don't know how my computer will handle this. If like I'm using like RTX 2070, and it's quite old. So let's see. I'm feeling the frame drops. Like let's see the. Can you see the frames? Yeah, you can show the. You can see the frames here. It's okay. It's okay. So, if you go to new open project, there are some templates here. I'm really not sure where to start, but the good thing is like if you already have the Unreal Engine knowledge, like you can just apply this here. It's pretty cool. Um, I don't know, let's see what happens if I play or launch session. Okay, I guess. Like I saw like you can play the game at the same time. I'm not really sure if you can actually, I mean, someone must edit the game and then someone can play at the same time. But let's see what happens. Anti cheat code, everything, all the pops out in the string now. Now, I'm not a Fortnite player. Maybe I played when it launched like many years ago. I have played sometimes in Epic's events, so I'm not exactly sure like what to expect other than it's a shooter and that you can build things. I know there is a mode that you don't really need to build stuff. Uh, the VFX creation part, that's a good question. I'm really not sure. Like, look at this. Like, apparently, yeah. Well, yeah, only so let's take a look at this because documentation is like very early on. Unreal is gonna do the streaming soon. Like, you can put lights, okay? You can do cinematics, uh, specifically camera shake and cine camera actor. You can add shapes, visual effects, volume, fourth underground volume, fourth water body exclusive volume, blocking volumes, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's, if I go to editor preference, it's pretty much the same. It's like a very small version of Unreal, actually. Like, it was only like 3 gigabytes. Unreal is like 20. So how can you actually play the game? Not really sure. Push changes. Why I cannot start the game? Is there like a player start? Let's go here first. I think I may need to log in. Let's see. So I guess this is the fab that Epic was talking about. Okay, so it's it's quite slow. I don't know if it's slow in your computer, but mine is quite slow. Pretty much like the bridge on Unreal. So I'm not surprised. Yeah, I'm wondering if you know, let me know in the chat what's the difference between Fortnite Creative and just Fortnite Editor. Like Fortnite Creative looks like much more user friendly, I think. in terms of the entry level. So 3D models. So I guess they combine all the Sketchfab, ArtStation Marketplace, Quixel, all of it into one single browser, I guess. Let's check the free one. Okay, let's just put this. Oh, you can drag it. Okay, add to the project as a reference asset. Okay, got it. I can just... Oop, there you go. Nice. So now we have a rock. Why is the pivot point so... Freeze the sides? Because we can put a rock here. Okay. What about the collisions? Without it, you still have all the functionality of Unreal. Like all the shortcuts and everything. I guess it's like a hacked version. I need to show the FPS. I don't know if it's just because of me. Oh, look. Project size. So this is the new setting that Epic was talking about. I guess it's new to the 5.2. Like you can just use this in the editor and have a better overview of the size of the project. That's nice. Can you create like level instance blueprints from this? You don't, right? Not yet. So what's inside the content browser? So you have a reference project, like you have this one. Okay. Fortnite. Let's just check blueprint classes. Okay. Is this all blueprint actors? Grab an ocean? I guess I already have an ocean here. Hmm. Yeah, I hear like they have like their own gameplay ability system that you can use here. I just want to know how can I play. So let's just open a new project. Uh, cancel loading. Let's see. Okay. Parkour template. I have a feeling that this one is gonna take a while to load. Island template. Let's go for a simple one first. Now, Unreal Revision Control. I can create a team. Yes. So basically, a lot of people can work on this project. Like, if you have the Fortnite if you have the Fortnite open, and I guess you have the Epic ID, I can invite you, like, to work together. So that's before creating the project. I don't know if you can change it later. Uh, let's uncheck the Unreal revision control just to check if it's faster. Now that asset load quite fast. I don't know if it's because of the resolution or I have no idea. What's this? A nice material. Okay, let's see. Alt P. No, it's like it's creating a session here. I cannot really play. Like session loading. Where do you play this? Okay, launch session. And I don't see any player controller, like player start here or anything of that nature. Time of day. That's nice. They have their own time of day. Yeah, we all have disk space problems these days. So if you push the changes, I guess like you can play it in Fortnite. I just don't think you can try it here. What is this? Oh, I don't want to do that now. Create a new project. Okay, this one looks promising. Let's see. Oh, really? 5 minutes to play. Okay, let's do that on the other project. So, do you know the difference between like Fortnite Editor and Fortnite Creative 2.0? Like, I know they had Fortnite Creative before. People were talking about like Fortnite Fortnite Creative. It's the same thing. So they have like a new programming language for this. Okay. Okay, this we don't really need to check. Okay, let's what it's inside to get started. Island settings. So it's like the game mode, right? I mean, it has the Fortnite framework in a way that, yeah, it is for Fortnite, but you can actually put whatever. So I'm expecting to see a lot of mods coming out. Oh, I had Fortnite on my other screen. I didn't see that. No wonder I was lagging. Okay. This, let's see if I can put it on the other screen. Yeah. Let's close the real-time feature on Unreal. So what is an island? I'm sure someone can explain here what is an island. Okay, in Creative, a map is called an island. You make an island in Creative, that island is your map, your gameplay area. Okay, makes sense. You can add things to your island that make for interesting, fun, or educational gameplay, but it all starts with an island. Okay, so it's basically a map. So I guess you can also use like landscape tools to create your own island. Like, is it a thing? A really nice map. So what is this? Player spawn path determines where the player begins on the map. Okay. I'm pressing Ctrl V to check where is this asset, but it doesn't show. Assets, not this one. I guess they also all have the Fortnite folder. Makes sense. It's like the engine content, like materials, simple colors. Okay. Toy options component. What kind of component is this? They don't really use static mesh. I don't know if that's the way they did the layout. How's this thing going? It really take a long time. Let me just close it and I will open it again. So I guess it's launch session, right? Okay, I'm starting to get it. Like, you do the editing, but you really need to open like another window where you have the game. Okay, so session loading. Okay, there you go. Scalability, let's put the things on, let's put things on medium for now. Yeah, much better. And real time off. One question, like, do you really need to have Fortnite installed to run this? Because I do have it. I have it installed. When did I start? Just a few minutes ago. We're trying to discovering, like, what is this? Okay, so here it is. Apparently, like, you can go live, and then when you connect the session, okay, let's just say start game, I think. Is that it? So how do you start a game here? Really weird. Um, I guess it may be using 5.2. Let me put this in the other window. I can check, like, okay. Live edit, auto start game. Yeah, I am starting the game. What's wrong with this? Anyway, let's check what's here. Okay, let's put free price. I guess this is only for 3D models. I read that there were going to be more things like animations, code, sounds, a lot of things. Maybe not yet. Yeah, only this. I guess you can just click here. We download the asset. There you go. Does it come with the collisions? It does come with a collision. That's nice. If you remember, wait, so content don't come with collisions by default? Okay. Oh, we're live. Okay, get the batteries. F. I'm pressing F. Am I really that bad? I just kind of jumped there, right? These are all pickups. What happened there? Oh, I can build stuff. Okay. course. Mm. And I guess more people can join to the session, right? Not here. I'm super slow. Let's put the scalability to low. You really need a nice computer to run this. But I must say it's very well optimized. It's not like all the assets you see in okay. Is that thing going to kill me again? I like the rendering a lot. Very nice. Okay. Can go here. Have one battery. Got. Okay, I get it. And it's still preparing the shaders? Yeah, it's preparing the shaders here. It's preparing the shaders here. So, there are a lot of actors actually. Like, where is the... Like, if you want to create a VFX, like, how would you do it? You don't, right? It's like... They already have some presets here. So what if I go to Fortnite and go to... Where's the VFX? There you go. Niagara. Yeah, you have some systems you can use. I guess you're limited to the content that you have. So far, that's what I'm seeing, I guess. I don't see any way of creating content here. Can you migrate? No, you cannot migrate. And in this project, like assets, creative devices, sequences. I wonder where the logic is put here. So it's very strange. So, okay, let's cheat a little bit. There is the battery. But I press Control B. Okay, let's see. You can add script, I guess. I'll create a blueprint. I don't want to... I want to open it. Can you open it? If I press Control E, usually that opens assets. I guess not here. Like, I want to see the logic behind this. But I guess they just give you the thing ready, right? Spawn item, item list, like this one. Let's put a mushroom here and see if it updates. Okay, let's push the changes. Save. And maybe our project will be updated. I hope so. So let's see, session updating. Oh, it is here. Nice. Okay, well, it took a while, but I guess it worth it. Oh, why do I have a pickup? Edit mode preparing. So you see top left, it's like changing, right? Yeah, it is. It is. Oh, okay. So you update and then you need to reconnect again. So it is. It is UE5. It's not that you don't have the full, as you say, tool set that UE5 give you to create like a game from scratch. I guess it's a very limited tool. Like, I wouldn't say limited because you can do a lot of things, but it's like very user friendly for people who haven't made a game and just want to, you know, create their own levels and this kind of stuff. I guess that's nice. I look at this actor, customizable light. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a little bit. Where are my batteries? Battery spawner 1, battery spawner 2, battery spawner 3, and battery. So they're just in front of each other. I'm really that bad. Customize billboard. Hi. Okay. And what happened to push changes to refresh? I already pushed the changes. Yeah, I mean, there is a lot of things that are under the hood that they won't let you use. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to call this like create games easily with Fornite Editor, right? It's just gonna be so hard and nobody will use it, right? People want to play. At least the people who play Fortnite, like, they may not be very interested in making games, but if you give a tool like this where, oh, you can actually create your own Fortnite levels super easy. Like, for example, I can just grab this and just put it here. There you go. Make it easier. And why it's like this? I cannot go up. Oh, it is a snap. So the grid also has like different snappings compared to what typical Unreal Editor projects have. And I see like a constant lag, even if I'm in low resolution. Maybe it's because hey, how can I build? I already built. Okay, I'm dead. Do I have a... Okay, it will die. As far as I know, it is. Like, otherwise they wouldn't be able to have... Finally, I can build something. Yeah, here is my thing that I put. Make my life easier. Customizable lights. Okay, like light color, great. What else? Off. Okay. On. Light type. Point light. Interesting. Oh, nice. Is that like available in the game? Oh, that's nice. So double jumping. Why cannot I pick up this thing? Something happened here. Yeah, that's great, right? Like, let's see what happens. Like, I'm here. Let's go back. Like this thing. Let's just move it here. And now, if I don't push the changes, oh my god, it updates at the same time. So you don't really need to push changes, you just put it there. Okay. Oh, this is really fun. Uh, I tried. They're close so far. Oh, you can really create like a super realistic environment with this. Construction, site asset pack, medieval. I'm not paying, but there's a lot of free stuff too, and a lot of paid stuff. I guess all megascans will be free, and the featured 3D models will be paid. Okay, so let's see what happens if I add this to content browser. Okay, so let's just put the scalability to high, just for now. So I'm downloading the content. The game is still running smoothly. Now what I don't get is that I built in the game, but it actually put the actor in the editor. Like I built those staircase, and you can actually see them on the editor. Edit, confirm, yes. Oh, it breaks when I build there. What's this? I guess this is also common UI. So you could destroy everything. Yeah, it is a standalone editor. Like I literally have two. One is the editor, which is super laggy. I guess it's because I'm downloading the content. And where is it? It's too much trouble. No, I don't want it. I wonder if we can like create a game. Okay, so let's start game. Okay. Oh, I was in edit mode. Start game. And now I guess I have. Oh, so you can edit things like in editor, but inside of Fortnite. And now I don't have my. Oh, I don't have my cheating where I can fly. Yeah, the stream is definitely heavy. I don't remember where were those batteries. I don't think I'm gonna ever win this game. Look at this. I even put this thing here. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Like, what if I end the game? Okay. Close. Go to Unreal Editor. New project. Continue to load. Changing a project and launching a session could result in collaborators getting exposed to the content of the new project. To prevent this, close all your Fortnite clients running on this PC. Okay, let's just do it because it's lagging. Return to lobby, yes. And I guess that's it, right? New project. Give me a blank project. Let's see what can you create. So far, I haven't created anything. Okay, empty project. Grid planes. The spawners. Okay, so what's this? Skip. Oh, actually in Fortnite? I didn't know that. Okay, launch session. I guess it will replace my Fortnite session. See what happens. So maybe you actually need to install Fortnite to use this. Because I already had it installed. Like, I thought that maybe I need it. So I installed it before this came out. And the editor just took like 3 gigabytes. Okay, let's see, session loading. Oh, okay, you have the landscape mode. Okay, let's see what you can do with the landscape. I guess it comes by default with this material. Layers. I have no idea what. Do I need to create the layers? Maybe. Maybe I need to create a layer info. Let's see. So what happened here? Close Fortnite. Okay. Okay, we did it. We have our first landscape. Why is so laggy? There you go. It's the shaders, of course. Oh, let's see what happens if I sculpt here. Oh, nice material. Let's flatten this out. Let's create a ramp. Let's smooth it out. I love this material, this automatic material. I wonder how they do that projection of the UVs when it's like this. Oh, nice. Okay, so my level will start here. Objective will be here, so let's just go down again. And now we will sculpt a little bit. You can either go left or right, so let's increase the strength of this. Then you can, I don't know, do a ramp with like very thick ramp. Then you're gonna flatten this out like this until you reach here. That's our little level. And let's just close this. Something like that. And let me just flatten this. Just so that it looks nicer. And then I can just close this. There you go. That's our little level. Okay. So, I guess these guys will be here. Are they super small? Or my landscape was bigger than I expected. Let's push the changes. Let's change. Let's save. Let's push the changes. Oh, you also have the open game view. Look, so far I cannot. They said that with the fab, like you have like all the ecosystem of the assets in one place. I don't see it. Maybe Unreal Marketplace has like different licensing terms. I hope you do. And I guess you should, but not at the moment. Okay, but what else? Oh, you have the modeling tools. That's nice. Let's see what we can model. And you have this is for 5.2 version. Create, extrude, polygon. Oh, what happened there? Okay, that's interesting. Have the transform, create. I guess they changed the modeling tools. Is this in 5.2? Nice. Okay, so open game view, I guess. Not push changes. Now, why I cannot start the game on this one? It's very strange. Okay, it's launching. Finally. I like these materials. Very nice. Fortnite has very nice shading. Like you cannot even click the clouds, like it's just like that time of day. I don't know. Change it to the night. Even in the night, it's not fully dark, which is nice. You don't want to work a lot on, putting the lights manually. I just wonder what kind of assets you can put here too. You can see my computer is starting to lag. And also, I will put this real time off. Yes, that's what I want. Okay, we have it here. How to have access from Fortnite? You just download the Fornite editor, and you will be able to use the Unreal Editor only for Fortnite. The first time it takes a long time. There you go. So I'm in editor mode, right? Which means what the things I put here, for example, this thing, is gonna show up in the Unreal Editor. Yes, it is. That's nice. And if I move this here, and I go back here, you will also see the same changes here. Okay. Oh, let's see what's the game mode. Wait, let's start the game. Because apparently I don't have any, like game rules or whatever. So I don't expect anything to happen really. I cannot build because I don't have, oh, I do have infinite wood. It's very nice. I don't think it's limiting. It looks like, but see, let's go to endgame, which is the same as this one. Okay, so what can you put here? Let's see. So if I go to the content browser, I go to Fortnite, consumables. Let's put something here. Okay, like it has time before first spawn, 10 seconds. Item list. Okay, what else you can, arrows? Okay, so those are the consumables. Devices. Chest. Wow, that's a lot of chest. Cannot even see it because of the grass. And let me just remove this. Let's put the coin here. I guess all of this must be done when you're playing the game to test it, right? Otherwise, it wouldn't make much sense. There you go. Now we have a bike. Okay, let's see what else. Environment, landscape, background. Well, you can put a background. Okay. Let's do that. You can put it like here. It looks horrible, but it should look fine from here. Yeah, you will notice. Especially if you go really far. Okay. What else do you have? Spline meshes. Okay, that should be very, very useful. Yeah, so far I see it limited to Fortnite specific things. What else? Spline meshes. Rote. Okay, so where are the... This is a spline meshes, I guess, but I don't see the splines. I only see a static mesh. Maybe this one? No. Oh, it's the ones you use in landscape. So if you go to landscape, you can go to the splines, and I think you can add your splines here. Edit layer, create, I guess. So that's component, that's not splines. Only selected. That's weird. Delete. That's not how it works, right? Pretty much. Sure. Physical materials, okay. Sky 2. I don't know what's this. So what does this does? I have no idea. I think it can like take you up, right? Let's try it. Let's see. Water. You could add water if you want. Okay, so the island, it's the blueprint class. Yeah, I guess we can add this. Oh, or it's not? Oh, this is only for water. Yeah, let's remove this. What if we put a lake here? Can we see it? Yeah, we can actually see it. And it will load the shaders. Looks like concrete, but it's not. It will become water soon. Galleries, buildings. What is this? Read only. What is a gallery? What's this? I guess it's just static meshes, but instead of being, static meshes, they are blueprint assets you cannot modify. Yeah, they're here. The water here, yeah, nice. Uh, push changes. Let's see what happens. I already pushed. Project is not valid. Pickup antenna. I guess it's one of these. Yeah, let's just remove it. Push changes. I'm not sure yet. I'm figuring things out too. I'm not exactly sure, like, if you can actually code something here. I believe you can. I read they have like an editor for scripting, things like that. Edit mode preparing. Okay. Well, at least I can see my stuff here. I don't know if the terrain is going to change on real time. By the way, how do you pick up things in Fortnite? Is it like I should be just able to grab it or what? Okay, so I go back to connect. There you go. So my water here. Let's see if this is only visual or actually has functionality. Oh, it does. Let's go. Nice. It's harder than what it looks like. So what about the items? I cannot, I guess. Customize arrows. Oh, you can actually change the behavior of these things when you're in the editor. So let's see. Time before its first spam, like 2 seconds. Okay. Let's start the game. Yeah, like nothing happens. Oh yeah, it's pick up with E. And it should be like 10 seconds and then we have the other spawn. What's this? Okay. What about the bike? Can I use the bike? I can use the bike. Can I use the bike here? I cannot. That's nice. Okay. Now, let's see. That's not very good yet. I'm not ready for this. Okay. So I guess if you make any change in the landscape, it will re-update the game, right? So what else you have? I guess galleries is all about static meshes. I'm wrong, it's not. But it is, right? Like you can... Oh, okay. Here you can have an overview of all the assets that are here, which you don't want, right? But nice. I mean, you can create your castle. What type of asset is this? I cannot really use these filters, right? I can put the statue here. I can move it here. There you go. Does it have collision? It does have collision. Let's change the time of the day. I don't know. What time is it now in my country? 14. There you go. Much more accurate. What else you have? Castle assets. That's just furniture. Buildings. So I guess here, yes, they have here the gallery. So the gallery allows you to check what's inside these folders, which they have a lot, right? So I don't think you want to go one by one to see what's inside. So my guess is like, for example, you can go here to check the walls and the floors. And that's it. Yeah, you have your floors and walls here. Like if you're sure you're gonna use something like this, like you can definitely go ahead and find the same folder, which I believe is like it should have the same name, right? Like Craggy. Yeah. Floors and wall. And there you go. You can just go and do your thing here. Why I just wonder why it snaps so harshly. I really wonder that. Okay. What else you have in the gallery? Building. You have a lot of things actually. Game. Okay. I guess the galleries is all that is like not only static mesh, it's also part of the game. Can you add metahumans? I don't know. I don't think so. So far, you cannot. Prop gallery flag. Put a flag here. DJ Wonder. It's on the game. There you go. DJ Wonder is here. Indestructible gallery. Okay, so here are some props and non-destructible assets, I guess. So you cannot destroy them. That's nice. Now I wonder if I remove this, I can just go ahead and yeah, much better. Oh, look at this. That's nice. You can make a little maze here. You can have the grass, but not really what do we want. What else you have? This thing. This look only like visual only, I guess. Non-collision gallery. Okay. Military numbers gallery. So this is one. I don't know why, but this is one. Lights. Okay, let's see what's different from this light gallery. And you know, you can also place lights here, right? I don't know what's the difference. So light gallery. I guess it's just some presets. Oh, of course, GI should work. Like if I go to buildings, let's just put here this thing. And let's just close this. These are my walls. Let's find a roof. Not really what I was looking for, but by the way, it's lagging because I have this thing here, which it should update. Well, good update. Is it? Maybe I'm on the other side. Oh. Oh, it actually generates a minimap. I know you cannot see because my face is there, but oh, it is not being updated on real time. You need to end game. Yeah, you need to end the game. I don't need to play with these kits because I'm not really familiar. But it does work. You can see that the light is not coming through. What's this? Okay. You can see that the light is not coming through. So there's a lot of things here. Very pinky stuff. Prison gallery. Oh, that one looks nice. Factory wall. Okay. Okay, what else? Let's... You actually have a lot of assets. Furniture, game. Okay, so lights. I guess you can put this thing. Initial state color, like green. Okay. Turn off, turn on. I guess you can put like triggers here. Can you just... Is it like a preset where you just have the light like this? What about this one? Put the lights here. Okay. Music, nature. I guess this is the gallery. Yes. And put water here too. Like this. Go for waterfall. Very weird one. Uh, okay, so you have the nature here. Nice. What about some rocks? Rock gallery. I just want to know where are the gameplay elements here. Can I chop this tree? Then, impostors, corridors. Impostors, it's something that you put in the distance. But I don't think it's the same here. Props. Oh, nice, you have some buildings here. There you go. Cyber City. I guess this is the one that used in the other demo. Nice. And we can put this guy here. Beautiful. This is really fun, actually. Hero. We have a lot of assets here you can play with. A lot of them. They blend really nicely. Is it using Word? It's not using anything. They just blend nicely. Okay, shape. Cube gallery. I don't know why you will have cubes here. Shared terrain. Also, this is for like background or things like that. Like, what is this thing? Okay. So it's like when you don't want to use the landscape, you can use these things. Modular mountain. Nice. Let's just play a little bit with it more. Prefabs. There you go. Coral Castle. This is what I'm talking about. Just put this thing here. Nice. I like it. Oh, and you can actually move these things. But are they on a group or something? Otherwise, it's gonna be very hard to. Yeah, this thing, the pivot point is here, and just move it. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay, this actually helps a lot. Like these presets are already really helpful. Nice. Castle. There's a fort. Let's put a fort here next to the. I don't know what kind of environment we're making. Oh, nice. Okay, a couple more. Weapons. Okay. Let's go for this one. Okay, let's push the changes. I still don't know where are the rules for the game. Is it like in the? It should have like a game mode, something like that. But anyway, let's see what happens. Oh, look at this. Nice. Push. Guess I'm gonna push here. Nice. Can you destroy this? The thing about the edit mode is that it's also very fun because you can play with it and you can edit with your friends here. If you connect, like for example, you can give me your ID, I can put it public. Hey, let's see. No, I really don't like the thing. I mean, I like it that it's live and you can see the changes on real time. The problem is it's very heavy. It's very, very, very heavy. Well, let's see, can I have this weapon? Okay, I'm in edit mode. Okay. Look what kind of world we have created, Jesus. What launcher? No cost. Everything for free. Start game. And I guess when you start the game here it's also starting the game. There you go. I wonder if these weapons you can actually use. Pick up. Oh, how can you use it? Oh, there you go. Oh my god, you can actually break it? Oh no! Okay, the building you cannot break. You're gonna break this one too. Okay. This one is not destroyable. I can see the lightning, global illumination going on here. It is a thing. I don't know if they come with skins. I don't think so, right? That should be something like you buy in the game. Oh, you can destroy this? No wonder it's modular parts. Let's see if you can destroy this guy. Oh, I don't have ammo. Anyway, looks promising. I like it. I'm going to do a deep dive into the. Oh my god, so laggy. I guess I will crash. Okay, I'm fine. So I like it. As far as level editing goes, you already have a lot of fun stuff to play with. So it's nice. I will check this on my site. Like, I have a lot of content here to put, and it's, I wouldn't say super easy to use, but it's definitely doable. Like, for example, the island settings. Like, I just checked this. Like, you can have the island here. Just check it out. Devices, island settings. But if you do, you need to drag it here. Oh, it comes with a voice chat, teams, free for all, spawn limit, total rounds. Okay. Respawn time, and I know a lot of properties for the game mode, I guess. Time of the day, default, camera filter. What's this? Light color. I guess it has a lot of defaults you can put. Actually, it's a lot. Like, you're limited because it's like read only, but actually you can change a lot of stuff. Pretty much like when you mod a game. Okay. So let's see. Let's see what you can do with this Fornite editor. I actually think it's a big thing. It's really nice. I think that it will allow a lot of creators to just, create games without the experience of getting like a hardcore game developer that studies a lot of different stuff. I think it's great. It's nice. I love it. All right, so I will play with this tool. I will see you next time. Bye.